Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on your Riot Games account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to turn off 2FA, hover over to My Account once again and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, scroll a little bit down and you will see the two-factor authentication options. Click on the Disable button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to disable two-factor authentication. Click on Confirm and now this will successfully disable two-factor authentication from your account. If you wish to re-enable it, you will need to confirm through your email address by clicking on the authentication link that will be sent to you once you click on the Enable button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off two-factor authentication on your Riot Games account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.